ready to tone your abs with this standing flat belly workout. All you need is a 5-pound dumbbell. Let's do this. All right, you guys, we're gonna start with a little warm up here today. Going with a high knee to opposite elbow, getting a nice little torso twist. We've got our girl Dre today helping us with modifications, so watch her if you need them. And we've also got our A6 permanently athlete, Rachel.
Hey,
she's gonna be crushing it with us over
Ready
there.
to go.
Awesome, good, and relax. Let's go with a little high-legged kick. So we're gonna do a nice straight leg kick, add a little skip in the middle, and alternate sides, getting those lower abdominals. Whew.
Oh yeah.
So 5 minutes, what do you guys have time for? Right after a run, get it in, right? Little extra core.
Yeah.
Yeah. Squeeze it in whenever you guys can. You deserve it. A little extra time. Work those abs. Last one. You're ready, all right? It's quick. So today, we're gonna open up those knees into a semi-sumo squat. And then as we come up, we're gonna bring the knee to the opposite elbow. Right back down, knee to opposite elbow. So it's a little bit of a squat. Then you gotta keep that core tight, strong. Don't lose your balance like that. And you're up and down. It will happen, people.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, because you got a wide base of support here, but you're giving it that twist, balancing on that leg. Good, go at your own pace here and relax. Next, I'm gonna have you grab a light free weight. If you don't have it, Dre's gonna show you that. We're gonna go up into a side cross, pick the knee up, and wood chop. So keep it on the same side here. We're gonna come across the knee. As we're picking that knee up, we're just coming across, trying to keep those arms straight, keeping that arm wide from the body. Feel that, Rach?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, with the weight, it adds that challenge.
Oh yeah.
Last one here. Good job. And relax. Then we're gonna turn it, and we're gonna do a reach and crunch. So you're standing on one foot, you're gonna reach out with those arms, kick that back leg long, and then you're gonna crunch in, bringing that knee to opposite elbow. Notice how we're twisting a lot here, right? And watch Dre for the modification here. She's gonna give herself some balance help with that foot on the side. Good, Rachel, I can kind of see you.
Trying to keep that balance wobbling a bit.
Exactly. This is an awesome challenge here.
Oh yeah.
You guys are doing great. Last one. If I looked up, I lost it.
No.
Okay, it's all right, it's all right. Okay, next we're gonna just set that weight down and we're gonna go into a little bit of a jumping twist. So here, I want you just popping off the balls of your feet. Good, Dre, if you wanna show them the step and twist, this is what I want you guys to do if you're modifying. If you're like Rachel and I, you're gonna add that twist with a little bit of a hop. But the important thing is that you're rotating through your torso, all right? Back and forth. Beautiful, and relax. Okay, let's go with that sumo squat, back into it.
Oh yeah.
So you're a little down, and then you're up for that rotation. All right, you're doing great. Going through it again. Now you know the moves a little better. Maybe your balance will be acclimated a little bit, right? Exactly. Good job, you guys. Breathe it out.
Second time's a charm.
Good rotation.
So true. Last two, down, up, and grab that free weight. We're gonna go to the opposite knee this time. Remember, feet about shoulder width apart. Gonna come across and chop. Remember, when you're here, you're giving it a little bit of a pause, right? Because you gotta kind of stabilize using those obliques, those lower abs. I like how this also gets the shoulders working a little bit too,
Yeah.
right?
Especially with the weight.
Yeah. All right, you guys, nice job. Last one here. Cross it. And then we're gonna turn to the other side for the crunch and reach. So let's start with the reach. Lengthen it out, kick that heel long, bring it in to the opposite elbow. Good, lengthen and bring it in. Now this one, if you lose your balance, just regain it. Tap on the floor a little bit.
Happens.
Yep, exactly. Try to be parallel to the floor here. So you're nice and long, doing that warrior reach. Last two.
Good work.
Oh. Nice job, guys. Last one. Bring it in. Nice job. Set that weight down. Let's finish with our jumping twist. Good. So right here, think about all those core muscles tightening up. Good. Really using those arms to twist.
This one's fun.
Have fun with this one. I can go all over the place with this one. Have a little fun. Dance it around here a little bit. Good job, you guys. Almost there. 3. Woo. 2. Good. And 1. And relax. Nice work, everybody. Nice job, Rachel.
Awesome.
Quick little burn, nothing big.